Welcome to CarCraft, your trusted source for smart, detailed automotive insights. Today, we're diving into the punchy little powerhouse that's made a big name for itself over the years, the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth. Compact in size but bold in personality, the new Abarth returns with more attitude, smarter technology, and electrifying performance. Whether you're a city dweller with a need for speed or simply a fan of hot hatches, the 2025 500 Abarth might just rev up your interest. Let's get into what makes this feisty Fiat such a standout in its class. Exterior design. The 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth exudes unmistakable charisma. The design is unmistakably Italian, fun, fearless, and fiercely compact. Fiat has preserved the iconic rounded silhouette of the 500, but the Abarth version gets a sportier treatment. Aggressive front and rear bumpers, a new honeycomb grille, LED lighting signatures, and exclusive Abarth badging instantly set it apart from the standard model. The car rides lower with a more planted stance, thanks to a stiffer suspension and performance-tuned chassis. Optional two-tone paint jobs and red accents highlight its racing pedigree, while the Scorpion logo adds a sting of attitude. Interior and luxury. The 2025 Abarth's interior doesn't just look sporty, it feels ready to race. The cabin has been slightly reworked to offer a more immersive driver experience. Bucket-style sport seats with contrast stitching hug the driver and front passenger tightly, while the flattened steering wheel and aluminum pedals add a raw, motorsport-inspired touch. Materials are upgraded, with soft-touch surfaces and suede-like inserts giving the cabin a premium edge. While the rear seats remain more symbolic than spacious, the overall layout is thoughtfully designed for style and ergonomics in tight urban environments. Engine performance. The most exciting update for 2025 is under the hood. In keeping with the industry's shift toward electrification, the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth is now fully electric. But don't worry, it hasn't lost its bark. Powered by a single electric motor producing around 153 horsepower and 235 Nm of torque, this compact performer delivers instant throttle response and a 0 to 60 mph time just under 7 seconds. It's zippy, agile, and responsive, perfect for darting through city streets or carving corners on a back road. The Abarth's specially tuned suspension, upgraded brakes, and performance tires make a noticeable difference, offering tighter control and sharper handling. For enthusiasts missing the old exhaust growl, Fiat has added a synthetic sound generator, giving the car a throaty, sporty note that's surprisingly satisfying. It's not just a gimmick, it adds character and completes the driving experience. Technology and features, smart and connected. Fiat didn't just upgrade the drivetrain, the 2025 Abarth is smarter, too. The digital cockpit includes a new 10.25-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a customizable digital instrument cluster that provides real-time performance metrics. The system is quick, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Also new is the Abarth Drive Mode selector, which includes options like Turismo and Scorpion modes. These adjust throttle mapping, steering weight, and stability control settings for either relaxed cruising or aggressive driving. Features like a wireless charging pad, a premium sound system by JBL, and a built-in navigation app round out the tech package, making the cabin just as modern as the powertrain. Range and charging, urban efficiency meets practicality. The 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth offers a range of approximately 200 to 220 miles on a full charge, more than enough for most daily commutes and weekend drives. Thanks to fast charging capabilities, the battery can be charged from 20% to 80% in just around 30 minutes at a public DC fast charger. For home charging, a standard Level 2 setup can replenish the battery overnight. The compact battery size helps keep the car lightweight and agile, while regenerative braking helps maximize efficiency in stop-and-go traffic. Safety and driver assistance, peace of mind in a small package. Safety remains a key focus, even in a compact performance car. The 2025 Abarth includes features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The strong chassis, combined with multiple airbags and modern driver assist systems, makes it a surprisingly secure city car. Parking sensors and a rear-view camera also help ease the challenge of navigating tight urban spaces. Pricing and final verdict. The 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth offers a unique blend of performance, style, and electric innovation at a relatively accessible price point. Depending on trim and options, it's expected to start around $35,000, not cheap for a small car, but well within reach for buyers seeking a character-packed EV with hot hatch DNA. If you're looking for something small, sharp, and seriously fun with the added benefit of zero emissions, the 2025 Abarth is worth a serious look. It's a car that makes no apologies for its size and doubles down on personality. Electrified doesn't have to mean boring, and the new 500 Abarth proves it. Outro. Thanks for watching CarCraft. Thanks for tuning into CarCraft, where we break down the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth, be sure to like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more detailed reviews and automotive content. Until next time, stay driven and keep crafting your car knowledge.